Hi friends, welcome back to Channa Tech Point. In this video, we will see how to use a Springboot banner. Let's start the session. I already created one sample application. Let's start the application. You can see Spring banner is displayed. Instead of string, we will display our application name Springboot demo. Click on resource. Create one text file. Text file name is banner.txt. In text file, I am providing my application name springboot demo. Save it. In resources, I will creating application.yaml file. Otherwise, we can use application.properties also. Preferable is application.yaml file. Most of the applications, people using application.yaml file only. You can see application.yaml file created. Spring banner colon location colon file name is banner.txt. Save the application, run again, clear the console, start the application. Springboot demo added. Here we can add the style to Springboot demo. Go to Chrome browser, type Springboot banner. Select the first one. Scroll down, click on create your own Springboot banner. Scroll down. In bottom, you can select the text to ASCII at generator. In this text area, we provide the application name. Click on test all. Scroll down. It will generate the so many patterns here. I am selecting this pattern. Click on select and copy. Go to Eclipse again. Go to banner.txt. Paste it here. Start the application again. It will change the banner now. You can see Springboot demo banner is added. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.